if you gotta get a little janky sometimes. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick makeup tutorial. Let's just get right on into it. So when I'm doing a quick, easy makeup look, the first thing I like to do is prime with something that adds a little color, specifically like to fix discoloration. I know I look a little tired, so I'm going to be adding some of this primer I've had for a minute. The Prime Essence Glow Boosting Pore Minimizing Studio. It has paint clay in it. That's really all you need to know. This product has color to it. You see, it's a little shiny even, so I like just adding this on my skin. I don't have time for my makeup to just fall off. Just a side note, I am actually getting ready to leave right now, so I'm kind of on a time crunch. It is so early, and I am just trying to get coffee in me to keep going. So I'm going to start with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This one is a little more orange to cover my dark circles. So now that I have the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer on, I'm just going to blend it out. I'm gonna use a foundation brush rather than a beauty sponge and just blend this in. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer that is pale as heck. The major issue I have with this e.l.f. concealer is that it is so fast when it dries. Like, it dries so fast. I have to use some of my Too Faced Hangover Spray because the whole point of this makeup is to not be too caked down. And so I'm trying to make this concealer just blend. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. bronzer and blush duo. This is kind of like a wet product, so I'm putting that on before putting on any powder, or else it will go on so weird. Now I can powder myself down, and I'm actually going to kind of like use this Tarte palette powder that has hit pan right here, this one right here, because of the fact that it's just like so creamy, so smooth, and it adds like coverage. And I know this is so janky, but like it works. So that's what we're gonna do. If you gotta get a little janky sometimes. Now after using that first powder, I still want to bake, but just a smidge. Okay, so now we're gonna continue in this palette, and I am just using, I don't know if this is supposed to be like a highlight or what, because it has shimmer, but I'm just gonna dip into that and pop it right here, just to add a little warmth to the eye, because like naturally you wouldn't be just all one color, nothing else on your face, so that's what we're going for here. So y'all know how I am, notorious for using the same exact brush, and we're gonna dip into this middle color right here. It's pretty tan actually, just compared to my skin tone, so we're gonna apply that onto the lid. Alright you guys, so it is slowly but surely coming along. Now we're gonna use my typical bronzer that I always go into, the more cool toned, because I kind of used that other one that was a little more warm toned. And we're gonna try to really keep this in one spot. Instead of letting it kind of gravitate down on here, we just want to keep it upwards. Just contouring the chin. We're doing it. So next is gonna be blush, because I got this Ultimate NYX Edit palette. This like orange and pink color, I kind of mix them together to create a blush that's matte, because I have a lot of blushes with like a little bit of shimmer in them. And I definitely went a little ham on the blush, but that's okay. That's totally fine. That's why we use setting spray. And our foundation brush to blend that out. Alright, so I'm going to be using my typical mascara. As of right now, I'm one to use up a mascara before having a new one, unless I really hate the one I have. So that's why I use this one in every video. Sorry if you want more differentiation, this is what you get. And we'll be right back, because I'm just putting on mascara, so see you in a minute. Okay, so the mascara is on, and the only thing we have left to do is a lip. So, oh my goodness, y'all, I almost forgot brows. What kind of world am I living in? I'll be right back. Okay, so now I am on lips, and I'm using this LA Colors lip contour, and I'm using the side over here, and this is the lip color side, so it is like way more creamy than the other side. However, I think it's fine. Now that I've applied this lip color, I'm actually going to apply this candy stick orange lip color. Okay, and now the lip is on, and that is really the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this quick little more natural-ish tutorial. Obviously the amount of blush and the lip color is not natural. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys soon, and like and subscribe. I'm trying to say that more because I feel like that's like what YouTubers do, right? Like, I don't know. Anyways, guys, I love y'all, and y'all have a great day. Bye.